I'm going to be showing you an MNQ strategy today that I almost guarantee you cannot find a better MNQ strategy that is as consistent as the one I'm about to show you. This right here is the QuantCrawler signal strategy that's coming out at the end of June. The indicator for this is already out, but I have now put all of this information into Python, turned it into a strategy, and Python has been backtesting this over the last 2 years with a 70-30 walk forward validation. So, is what that means is it's the same thing that institutions and hedge funds use when they are backtesting. 70% of your data is shown to the Python engine or whatever engine you're using, and 30% is reserved that the engine can't see. That's how you get curve fitting. If you just gave it access to all the information, it would just find the best pocket and then it would stay in that pocket. You don't want that. So it gets 70% of level 2 tick data and it runs the best outcome it can find. Then, when it ranks them 1 through 5 on my Python engine, it then goes and compares it against the 30% of data that it hasn't seen before. When it compares it, that data has to hold up to be better than or at least meet the 70% that it validated. If it doesn't, it's thrown away and it goes back into cycling tests until it finds one that fits that mold. So it found one that fits that mold, and this is what it looks like. This is running 2 contracts on MNQ on the 5-minute time frame using the QuantCrawler signal strategy. Again, coming out end of June. Not available right now. It's June 3rd or whenever you're watching this. If it's past the end of June, then it's already out. But from January 1 of 2025 to December 31 of 2025, so all of last calendar year, it had a P&L of $13,535 with a max drawdown of $2,418 for a 62% win rate and a profit factor of 1.312. So that's the whole entire calendar year. You can see here you have a couple of bumps and bruises at the beginning of 2025, which 2025 just is what it is. You can see about midway through the year, or actually towards middle of April, you just start your uptrend and the equity curve really picks up and it's beautiful. So let's look at January 1 of 2026 to current to see how this year is starting off compared to last year. So we're looking at a total of 18 months of data here pretty much. And again, this is level 2 tick data in Python. And then when it ports into TradingView, TradingView doesn't use level 2 tick data. TradingView has some kind of smooth, rounded, curved volume candle thing. It doesn't match tick data. So anybody who always comments like, well, you just use tick data. I do. TradingView doesn't use tick data. So there's nothing I can do about it. Talk to TradingView about it. So for January 1, 2026 to current day, the 6 months that we're in right now, P&L of 13,695 with a drawdown of 1,885 for an almost 69% win rate and a profit factor of 1.709. So we're having an incredible year already on this one. Let's take a look at the list of trades. We took a loss yesterday. I actually took this and I'm copying this across 70 accounts. So I think I was down like on prop firms. That was fun. Plus my live account is in there too. So that for me. This was coming off of 4 wins in a row, however. So those 4 wins in a row are over $1,000, and then I took a $351 loss, so I'm net like 50 on the month of June so far. Not a big deal, but it's $650 times 70 accounts, so quite a good start to the month of June so far. Back here, you can see we had a loss, 2 wins, so those kind of counter out, pretty much almost an exact counter out actually. Couple losses here, and then you have 4 wins in a row. So you can see the list of trades. You get 2, 3, 4 wins in a row, a loss, 2, 3, 4 wins in a row, a loss. You start getting your step ladder, and you can see that represented here in the chart. It's just as to be expected. You take some losses, you take some wins, but this equity curve is always climbing, and the max drawdown is only 1,885. I'm just trying to be transparent with you guys. It's not like, this right here, some people will think this, believe it or not. You wouldn't believe the emails and the comments I get. This right here, 68.52%, does not mean 100%. I know that I have to explain that because you should, again, see the emails I get. Oh, I started your strategy and it lost 3 in a row. Yeah, it only wins 68.5% of the time. That's going to happen. So, you're going to take some losses, but you're going to take more wins. That's what this number means. Profit factor is great, drawdown's great, and your P&L is great. So when we blend it together from January 1 of 2025 to current, You can see over the last 18 months, it has a total P&L of 26,934 with a drawdown of $2,418. You are almost completely prop firm compliant. You're going to be over on your drawdown on a couple of these unless you're just running bigger accounts for a 64% win rate and a profit factor of 1.427 over the last 18 months. Now, the other thing I'll show you as well on here is the properties tab. This is assuming 62 cents per contract round trip. So when you're taking two in, two out, you're about $2.50 in commissions there. And then there is slippage. So this isn't like, if you guys see people who are like, look how good this is, they don't have this in their strategy when they're trying to show you how good it is and how you should sign up. This is actually what the numbers would look like if I really wanted to lie to you. Look how incredible that is. You're $300 less on drawdown and way more on your P&L. But the people show this off on YouTube, and a lot of people just get duped into it, and they don't realize there's no commissions, there's no fees, there's no slippage, there's no anything. So it's in there. It's as exact as I can make it. Is the strategy coming out towards the end of June. I will give access to all of these settings when that time comes. Everyone will be able to download it from their Elite portal or their Lifetime portal to immediately import this directly into TradingView and start trading it right away if you want to. Strategy could change some lives, and it will work very well for the people who are willing to be committed to it. So you can recap it here year by year, and you can see that we are at a net P&L 26,935, max drawdown 2301. This is blended between the 2 years. 64% win rate, profit factor of 1.427. And then this area right here that's shaded, this is your peak to trough. This is the area where that drawdown came in. This is your highest point to your lowest point, which is the peak to trough. That's how TradingView calculates everything. So highest point to lowest point that this strategy has produced is back in 2025 at the beginning. And then when it was deciding to stop messing around, it runs all the way to where it's at now. So peak to trough happened beginning of 2025. That's the max drawdown. And then you have your bumps and bruises along the way, but you're pretty much straight up from there. You can see over here in 2025, best day, $1,018, worst day, $837. And then in 2026 through June, your best day is 1,067 and your worst day is 866. So the strategy will calm down when it starts losing, and it will ramp up when it starts winning. 459 trades in 2025, 217 total trades in 2026 so far. So that's on pace. And we should see these numbers significantly improve as the year goes on.